Blue On. I heard about it, and actually I was in a plumbing supply store, and I saw a guy wearing a Blue On hat, and I was like, what's Blue On? And he said, only the greatest app for anybody remotely connected to the HVAC and refrigeration fields. I'm like, really? He said, man, you won't believe it. Any question you got, they got an answer. And it's not some little chat thing. You'll talk to a real person. And all the different manufacturers, different brands, tech tips, there's not a question that you can come up with related to HVAC, refrigeration, even remotely, that you can't find the answer to on Blue On. I work mostly in the RV and recreational vehicle field. So I deal a lot with the Dometics and the Colemans and the things like that. The information I need, find it on Blue On. Change in the industry, changes in the field, find it first on Blue On. Thus far, I cannot think of one thing negative to say about this app. And I highly recommend it. And whenever anybody sees me with this hat on and they ask me what it is, they get the same answer I got. Only the best app out there for anybody in the HVAC and refrigeration field. So if you're seeing this video, I'm telling you to download the app, find out what it's about, become a member, get a cool hat. What more could you ask for? Blue On, man. It's the way to go.